Hey, Miss Debbie. My website is called Healthy Mind, Happy You. So this is my homepage, just telling you a little bit about my website and what it includes. And then let's go over to my biography. And this is me, about me, and why I made this website, what I'm interested in. Then we'll go over to resources. And here we have the Wakelet on Healthy Mind, Happy You that just has some resources that are some of my favorites and some different YouTube videos that I found helpful, some Twitter accounts, and some other stuff. And then if you go to personal choices, this is where we had we got to pick a fun Wakelet. And I did mine on LSU sports and all things LSU. So we have some stuff about baseball and Kim Mulkey and some different Twitter stuff that I really like. And of course, the LSU football schedule. Let's go over to tech projects. And we have the project where we walked around campus and looked at things, took pictures of it, and edited those. Then we have my 10 ways to improve mental health. And there's just some different things to help you out. Then let's go to our digital story. I did mine on Pete Maravich, and the history of him and his time at LSU. Then we have our digital storyboard here. Then we'll go to our PLN, PLE. So here is the first one. And then we have this with our reflection. So our reflection 1 is here. And I did it on Teresa and her website. And then we have reflection number 2 about technology and the technology in Wakelet with a few questions. And then we have reflection number 3 on Twitter and a Twitter page. I chose Alice Keeler. I found she has some really helpful things, especially for teachers in a classroom, but you can also use it elsewhere. Okay, and let's go to our mobile app. I did GoFundMe. GoFundMe can be helpful for anyone, teachers in a classroom or personal use for your business, anything possible to raise money. So my website evaluation, I did it for Color Matters. She had a really cool website about everything colors you could possibly imagine. I found it very helpful. And then we'll go to ISTE standards. This is what I made. And then let's go to evaluations. We have our Apple Teacher certification that I've completed, and then where my screencast will go. Thanks, Miss Debbie. Hope you have a great year.